Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a Singer spring needle clamp for darning and embroidery. It's SIMANCO part number 86496 and it fits Singer 66, 99, 185 and can also be used with some other machines where the needle threads from left to right. First remove the presser foot and the screw. And then the needle and the needle clamp. Replace the clamp with the spring darning presser and needle clamp, passing the needle up through the centre of the small disc at the bottom of the clamp. Make sure that the flat side of the needle is facing to the right. This really is fiddly to get in place, so take your time. Check and make sure that the needle goes down through the hole in the feed dog plate without hitting the plate. Slide back the bobbin cover and clip on the feed dog cover. This stops the feed dogs from moving the fabric. If you have a machine where you can drop the feed dogs, then do that instead. Close the bobbin cover. When threading models 99, 66 and 185, the thread must pass through the hole in the slack thread regulator to the left of the tension assembly. Dropping the presser foot makes this easier. Then thread as normal until you come to the needle. The thread needs to go through the hole in the bottom of the spring. I really need to clean up this attachment before being threaded through the needle from left to right. I'm using an embroidery hoop to hold my fabric tight, but you could use stabilised fabric. Turn the hand wheel towards you to bring up the bobbin thread. Make sure that you drop the presser foot or the tension won't work. Make the first couple of stitches by turning the hand wheel by hand, just to lock the stitches in place. And then cut off any excess thread. Use both hands to move the fabric around to make your design. Make slow movements with your hands to make smaller stitches and faster movements to make longer stitches. I haven't done this before and I'm not really much of a sewer, so I'm sure you can do better than me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be notified of all my future uploads. Thanks for watching.